Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm about to show you how you can start up your own file here in Photoshop. Super simple and easy. This is for you very starting beginners, alright? All you're going to need to do is load up Photoshop, as you can see here, and you're going to want to go ahead and click New File. Okay, then it's going to pop up this second window, and you're going to see some standard presets that you can select from. Okay, you won't have as many as I do, but it's because there were previous ones that I already put into here with the amount of pixels and whatnot. But anyways, we're going to go over to the side here, and you're going to see what you can name it right here. This is going to be your name, okay, for your project that you're creating. Then you can go ahead and type in the amount of pixels that you want it to be width-wise, and then the height of pixels, okay? And then also you can select an orientation as well. And you can select it to be in pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, picas, okay, but most of the time I like to leave it as pixels, all right, and then you'll just, set your amount of pixels. So this would be a 1920 by 1080, so a normal 1080p resolution screen for your project. And then here is going to be your resolution as pixels per inch, okay, so your PPI, so we have 72 pixels per inch. All right, you can set this to pixels per centimeter as well if you want. And then down here you can select your color mode, okay. RGB color is going to be the most common that you're going to use, but you could also use grayscale, bitmap, you could use CMYK color or lab color, but I would recommend just leaving it on RGB. And then you can select the bit, 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, you could just leave that on 8-bit. And then this is going to be your background color. All right, so I currently have mine on black. You can make it white, you can make it transparent. As you can see here, you can do a custom background color. And then you can go into some advanced options, so color profile, don't color manage. You can select a bunch of different types of things, but I would recommend just leaving this blank, just leave it the way it is. You don't even have to really do anything with advanced. Same with this one, pixel aspect ratio, square pixels. Definitely make sure that's on square pixels if it's not. But anyways, these are the main things that you have to change, and the main ones are really just going to be, name your project so you know what it is. So anytime that you see the Photoshop project file, then you can read it and see what it's going to be, what's inside of the project. And then put your amount of pixels for your width, put your height, pixels, and then you can leave everything blank. So really these are the main three: title, and then pixels for width and height. And then you're just going to want to go ahead and click create, and it's going to open up your Photoshop project right here with all of your settings. Okay, so there you guys go. That's how you start up a new project in Photoshop. For you guys that have probably never loaded Photoshop, I'm just doing this for you guys for beginner tutorials. But there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.